To get Cash App in Canada, you need to follow a series of steps as the app is not directly available in the Canadian app stores. First, you need to download a VPN app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, as this will allow you to change your location to the United States. Once the VPN is downloaded and installed, launch the app and select the United States as your location. After that, create a new email address specifically for your Cash App account, as you will need a US-based email address to sign up for the app. Next, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Cash App. You should now be able to see the app in the search results, and you can download and install it on your device. When you launch the app, you will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Use the US-based email address you created earlier to sign up for the app. You will also need to provide some personal information, such as your name and date of birth. To verify your account, you will need to provide a US-based phone number. You can use a virtual phone number or ask a friend or family member in the US to receive the verification code on your behalf. After verifying your account, you can link your debit card or bank account to the app. However, you need to be aware that Cash App may not support all Canadian banks, so you may need to use a US-based bank account or a prepaid debit card. It is also important to note that using Cash App in Canada may be against the terms of service of the app, and you may be subject to certain restrictions or fees. Therefore, it is essential to review the app's terms and conditions before signing up and using the app. In conclusion, getting Cash App in Canada requires some extra steps, including downloading a VPN app, creating a US-based email address, and verifying your account with a US-based phone number. While it is possible to use Cash App in Canada, it is crucial to be aware of the potential restrictions and fees associated with using the app outside of the US.